Hi. So I'm just showing a demo that how the scalping pro bot needs to be run. So here is the version of the universal version actually that will be compatible with any of your device that can run Python. So at first let's just introduce all the files and what are they for. So in the credentials folder, you can see credentials.xlsx. So you need to put all your credential related data here. Like if you want to get the notification, then you need to set up your Telegram account and Gmail account all here. And you need to put all your proxies in the proxies.txt file. And the .env file, you also need to put some data related to your Telegram setup, and you can see almost all of the details here in the readme file, but I am just giving you a brief so that you can understand better. And in the account.xlsx, you need to put your account details for the accounts that you want to use to run the bot. And here in the event.xlsx, you need to put all the event links that you want to use. And then the GUI.py, so this is the source code of the bot. So you can just run this one to run the bot, and this is just the icon of for the UI. And requirements.txt, you need to actually install these requirements to run the bot. And then here you see the run.batch file. So if you are running the bot on Windows, then you can just double click on run GUI.bat and it will actually run the Python file. And this is the Telegram setup.py. And if you just this is used to set up your or configure your Telegram account to receive the notifications. If you are running the bot on Windows, then you can just run this file to actually get the notifications. Okay, so this is all the things that you need to know. Okay, so now let me show you how to run the bot. So I am on the Windows, so I can just run the run GUI.bat. So I'm just opening that. And when you run the bot for the first time, this type of pop-up may show up. So click on more info and then click run anyway.
Starting the bot.
And now it asks for the product key. So I'm just adding here my product key and pressing enter. So it says that it is valid till a date. And then you can actually select the things that you want to run and you don't want. And after you just select all your things, like if you want to just skip the the queues, then just select this one so that it bypass the queues. And if you want to use proxies, then also check mark this one. If you don't want the voice alert, many people don't want that, so just disable the voice alert. If you want Telegram alert, then check mark it. If you want Gmail alert, then check mark it. And if you don't want this, then you can just close this. And account reset, this is actually a safety feature, so that after how many loop it should change the proxy. So if you 5 is quite good, but if you want, you can just make it to 1, or you can even increase it. And here is the delay. So when you are running it to buy any tickets, then it is better to just keep the delay 0. Okay, so you can just keep the delay 0. And loop delay, it is set to 10 seconds. When the count resets, then should it wait for these seconds or not. If you want, you can just make it to 0 and start the bot. But as I don't have any data added to the databases, and I don't really want to any ticket to buy, that's why I am just closing the bot now. So this is how you can run the bot. And if you have any queries about the bot, like how to purchase it, or how to run it, or everything, anything you want to know about the bot, you can just uh, message me in this Telegram account t.me/mainbotpy, and I will be there to assist you. Thank you.